Hello! Do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 12? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So subtraction number bonds, very easy. All it means is what two numbers subtracted, so taken away from each other, equal 12. So in this case, we could have one like this, an easy one, 13 take away 1. Because that is a great number bond, it's very easy, but that's a great number bond because that equals 12. Because 13 take away 1 is 12. So, let's give you another example. What about this? 15 take away 3. Does that equal 12? Yes, it does. So that's another great one, okay? But what about this one? This one you can work on your own. Does that equal 12? No, good, I thought I'd trick you there, okay? So that one doesn't, that would equal 13, so that can't be it, okay? So, what you'd need to do instead is do one more. You'd have to change this to 8, then that would equal 12, wouldn't it? So, you try and play some bonds at home and try and find some combinations that add and that subtract to 12, okay? And then use that to play the next games. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!